NestEgg Robo-advisor for Investing Honest review. Watch before using. In today's review, we're diving deep into NestEgg, a robo-advisor designed to make investing simple and efficient for individuals looking to build long-term wealth. Aimed primarily at beginners and those who prefer a hands-off investment approach, NestEgg provides automated portfolio management using advanced algorithms tailored to your risk profile and financial goals. NestEgg's main feature is its ease of use, offering an intuitive platform that sets it apart from traditional brokers or investment advisors. The onboarding process is simple. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance, goals, and investment preferences, and NestEgg creates a personalized portfolio based on its recommendations. One of the standout features is its low-cost management structure, which makes it accessible even for smaller investors. They use a passive investment strategy, focusing on diversified ETFs, which helps keep fees down and performance consistent with the broader market. For those seeking socially responsible investing, NestEgg offers a dedicated socially responsible investment (SRI) option, adding an ethical element to your portfolio without compromising returns. Another important feature is their automatic rebalancing, which ensures your portfolio stays aligned with your goals and risk tolerance over time. This makes it ideal for investors who don't want to monitor their accounts constantly, but still want a portfolio that's responsive to market changes. However, while NestEgg does a great job at making investing accessible, it's not entirely perfect. The platform lacks some of the more personalized features you might get with a human advisor, such as tax loss harvesting or personalized retirement planning. Additionally, the investment options can feel somewhat limited if you're a more experienced investor looking for greater customization. But if you're just getting started or looking for a hands-off option, NestEgg could be a solid choice. With a low minimum investment and a focus on long-term growth, it caters perfectly to those looking for a straightforward, cost-effective robo-advisor experience. To sum up, NestEgg is ideal for beginners who want an easy-to-use platform with low fees and automated management. It excels in providing a well-rounded, diversified investment strategy. But it might not be the best fit for seasoned investors looking for advanced strategies or more control.